Hello children, good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Okay, today we are going to prepare some lemonade. To prepare lemonade, we need a lemon, we need water. Look, this is water. And we need sugar. Look, this is a spoon and I'm going to show you sugar. Okay, let's check this. Lemon. What's this? Lemon. Water. Water. Sugar. What's this? Okay. This lemonade is for you. This is too much. This is for your family. But today we are going to make lemonade, only a glass of lemonade. Only for you. Okay? So, step number 1. We need to wash your hands. Remember to wash your hands here at the sink, and we need to wash the lemon too. Okay? We need to wash the lemon same, very clean. Okay, we have the lemon, sugar, water. Okay, step number 2. Say, Mommy, Mommy, please, please cut the lemon. Not you. Don't do it yourself. Say, Mommy, Mommy, please cut the lemon like this, okay? Once you have your lemon, you take out the seeds. Look, these are the seeds. Take them out, okay? Now you're going to squeeze. Look, squeeze the lemon in the water like this. Did you see? I think it's okay, but if you want to, you can add both parts of the lemon, okay? Squeeze the other part. Squeeze your lemon. Okay, that's the number 2. Okay, now let's go to number 3. Take the sugar, and add sugar to your glass. Then, step number 4, mix. Mix. And then you have ready your lemonade. Do you like lemonade? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Remember the song. You say, do you like lemonade? Now it's your turn. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Let's practice with other fruits. Do you like apples? Say. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like orange? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, that's it. Keep practicing your lessons, and that's it. It's all for now. Let's say goodbye. See you. Bye-bye.